Once you turn 50, seems like out of nowhere, you're starting to get a beer gut. What the actual freak? I'm Steve Goldring, the hormone pharmacist from simplehormones.com. Doctors trust me to teach their patients how hormones have a major impact on your body and your health. Well, I know you've been basically eating all the same for the past 30 years. Tell me I'm wrong about that. Barbecue with all that sugary sauce, grilling burgers in the backyard. You go out for burgers and fries every week, if not more often. Heck, you've been eating ice cream since you were 6 years old. What about all that bread and carbs and rolls? Then there's Saturday morning, pancake breakfast with the kids. Cookies, so many cookies. None of us can resist pizza. And what goes great with a slice of pepperoni, sausage, and mushroom? Beer, of course. I'll bet you've been drinking beer since you were 21. Well, maybe even 18 or younger. Even if you don't drink beer, then you certainly can down a lot of that soda. I know you didn't just recently stop going to the gym. Maybe you played sports in high school, but after that, didn't really work out all that much or at all. That probably hasn't changed much since your 20s. Eating all the same stuff, drinking beer or soda for 30 years. You've never really gotten that much exercise. Why in the world are you just now starting to see that beer belly? Maybe some of those unhealthy foods and beverages had an impact, but your beer gut shows up now because now's the time when you're low on testosterone. You reach your peak level of testosterone at around age 25, maybe 30. After 30, it all starts going to hell in a handbag. There's pretty much a consensus among researchers that men lose about 1% of their testosterone every year, starting right around age 30. So by the time you're 50, you're getting pretty low. I posted another video about testosterone for regular guys, not jacked gym bros. Check out that video when you get a chance. The other fact that science agrees on is that one of the biggest reasons you start getting that beer belly is low testosterone. Several studies show that as testosterone goes down, men get a lot more visceral fat. Visceral fat is fat that's inside your abdomen, around your kidneys, your liver, your intestines. And visceral fat is not a good thing in any way. When you get enough of that visceral fat, along with the fat right underneath your skin, called subcutaneous fat, your beer gut starts to grow pretty big and noticeable. Stress hormones and insulin resistance may also play a role in your beer gut. I might be posting some other videos about some of the other hormonal causes for beer belly. But the first step you can take toward getting rid of that beer belly is crunches and ab work. Oh, wait a minute. That's a complete waste of time. The idea that you can do ab work, crunches, sit-ups, or anything else to lose weight just in your belly is absolutely wrong. There is no such thing as spot reduction or weight loss. Anybody who tells you it works simply doesn't understand physiology. What can make a difference, though, is getting your testosterone not too low and not too high, but just right. I go into more detail in my other video, but you'll want your doc to test both your total testosterone and your free testosterone. Don't be surprised if your regular doctor has basically zero clue about testosterone. They might be able to help you, but maybe not. If you sort of feel like you're running into a brick wall with your regular doc, visit my website at simplehormones.com/referral and fill out my referral request form there. I know some hormone specialists all over the US, Canada, and even a few in the UK, and I might be able to help you find somebody in your town. If you found this video helpful at all, click the like and subscribe buttons. You might also want to ding that little bell to make sure you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you again next time.